Auzubillahi Minashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and healthy at home. I'm your teacher, Ma'am Huma, and I'm taking English subject. Today is lecture number 19 of show and tell. I hope you are ready for this lesson. As we all know, before studies, we should recite dua for learning. Everyone, please raise your hand and start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. One more time. Rabbi zidni ilma. Now reinforcement of dua for traveling. As you know that we should recite this dua whenever we go out for traveling. We have to recite this dua to keep ourselves safe from all danger. So all of you please raise your hand and start dua. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Subhanallazi sakhara lana haza wa ma kunna lahu muqrinin wa inna ila rabbina lamunqalibun. Children, you have to recite this dua after me. Again, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Subhanallazi sakhara lana haza wa ma kunna lahu muqrinin wa inna ila rabbina lamunqalibun. In this lesson, we have to learn question number 1 of Islamic months. How many months are there of Islamic months? There are 12 Islamic months. Number 1, Muharram. Number 2, Safar. Number 3, Rabiul Awwal. Number 4, Rabiul Thani. Number 5, Jamadul Awwal. Number 6, Jamadul Thani. Number 7, Rajab. Number 8, Shaban. Number 9, Ramadan. Number 10, Shawwal. Number 11, Zilqa'dah. Number 12, Zilhajj. Now children, what you need for this lesson? Student book, activity book, literacy book, and a pencil, eraser and sharpener.
Okay, now children, open page number 23 from student book and write date 13th August 13th 1-3 and write TH with 13th August 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 comma 2020 and then leave space and write capital H dot capital T stands for home task and then leave space again and write day THURSDAY Thursday. Now look at the topic. Sing with me. SING sing. WITH with ME me. Sing with me. Okay. Now look at the left side of the page. There are three pictures are given of Benny and he is in different position. Now look at the first picture and under the picture a word is written that is tummy. 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 And in this picture Benny is going to touch his tummy. 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 Now look at the next picture of Benny. Time to eat. What's written there? Time to eat. Time. Time. To eat. Eat. Time to eat. Because Benny is hungry and he's saying it's time to eat. Now, next picture. What's written there? Yummy. Y. Yummy. Okay. Now look at the picture. There are two more characters are given. A girl and a boy. And some food items are given on this page. Okay, now which food item do you like? There are given picture of vegetables, another picture of muffin, cake, pastry and donut, then pasta, then fruits are given and meat. Okay, if you have listened this activity song, in that song the girl is saying that she want to eat vegetable, pasta and meat. So what you have to do, a dot is given under the girl picture. That dot you will join with the vegetables, pasta and meat. And a boy is saying that boy wants to eat fruit and some sugary things like cake and muffin. So you have to join the dot which is given under boy picture with the cake and with the fruits. You have to draw the line with the fruit and with cake. Now on this page some vocabulary words are given which you see on the right side. Those words are cake. Look at the first word, that is cake. Cake. C-A-K-E, cake. Next word is meat. Meat. Eat, meat. Another word is pasta. Pasta. P-A-S-T-A, pasta. Next, fruit. F-R-U-I-T, fruit. Then vegetables. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S, vegetables. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to draw a line with the food items. Okay. And then you have to read these vocabulary words. Some of the words you will do with the sound like meat, eat, meat. But the other words are tricky words which you will do with the spellings.
127. Sing and do.
My tummy is so rumbly. It's nearly time to eat. to eat. It's time for a treat. Time for a treat.
Okay, children, now bring literacy book and open page number 9. This is unit 2. Look and say. Okay, now on the top of the page write 13th August 2020. 13, then write TH. 13th August, 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 comma 2020. Then leave space and write capital H dot T, home task. Then write day, Thursday, THURSDAY, Thursday. Now what you have to do, look and say, and then listen and circle the picture.
One, 7. Listen and circle the picture. 1. Peach. 2. Red. 3. Beak. 4. Leak. 5. Steam. 6. Lip.
Now children, bring activity book and open page number 20. Say it with me. On the top of this page, write date 13th August, comma 2020. Then write capital H dot capital T, mean home task. And then write Thursday. Leave little space and write Thursday, THURSDAY. Okay. Now on this page, on the left side, read say it. Say it, WITH, with. Say it with ME, me. Now number 1, trace, 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 full stop. Match, 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 match. AND, and. SAY, say. Trace, match, and say. Children, on this page some food items are given like meat, peas, beans, and peaches. What you have to do? First you have to trace the word which are given like eat, meat, peas, beans, peach, then peaches. Okay, you have to trace these words and then you have to match first word meat with meat, then peas, peas with picture of peas, then match beans with picture of beans, and at the end peaches with the picture of peaches. Okay, you have to trace these words and then you have to match with the picture, correct picture. Okay, now look at number 2 activity given on this page. Choose and draw. Choose. A-N-D and draw. D-R-A-W, draw. Choose and draw. Full stop. W-R-I-T-E, write. A-N-D and S-A-Y, say. Choose and draw, write and say. Okay. There are two circle is given. On a small circle you have to draw the face of a boy or a girl, and on the big circle that is like a plate, a girl or a boy holding in the hand. In this plate what you have to do, you have to draw the food item. Okay, another line is given under the picture. I want dash to eat. I want, W-A-N-T, want. I want dash to T-O-2 eat, eat, full stop. Okay, choose and draw, write and say. Under this line word bank is given. Peaches, beans, meat and peas. Whatever you want to eat, you have to write here. I want, suppose you want to eat peaches. You have to write I want peaches to eat. You have to write spelling of peaches here on the blank space, and then you have to draw the picture of peaches. If you want to eat beans, you have to write I want beans. On the blank space you have to write beans. Write I want beans to eat, and then you have to write picture of beans in the plate. Okay, same like this you can write meat, you can write peas. If you people are going to write meat, you have to draw picture of meat. If you people are going to eat peas, you have to write the spelling of peas, then you have to make picture of peas. Okay children, I hope you enjoyed this lesson and you enjoyed to do the activities which are given on these pages. Inshallah, next week we will meet again with a new topic, new activities and new vocabulary words which will help you to read the stories. Till then, take care of yourself, stay at home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.